Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, Gift of the Nature. Before going to the lesson, I am going to take you all to a wonderful place. Are you ready to come with me? Okay, let's go. Students, do you know where we are going? We are going to visit a small island. Look here. Can you identify this island? No? Okay, don't worry. This is Nauru, a small island in the Pacific Ocean. Nauru, officially known as the Republic of Nauru, is an island country and a microstate in the Central Pacific, northeast of Australia. It is the third smallest country in the world behind Vatican City and Monaco. Its population is world's second smallest after Vatican City. This island, which is just 21 square kilometers in area, was once lush green and was the abode of several migratory birds. Nauru is one of the three greatest phosphate rock islands in the Pacific Ocean. Nauru's only economically significant natural resources are phosphates. Due to being surrounded by corals and sandy beaches, the island has no natural harbors, no rivers or lakes. This island was known as Pleasant Island. It was described as the richest country in the world by the international journal National Geography in 1976. Okay students, hope you all enjoyed the beauty of this island. Students, do you know? Now, Nauru is a barren land. The resources are completely exhausted. Sparsely populated land with exposed coral reefs everywhere. Don't you want to know how Nauru became like this? Students, as you know, Nauru was rich in phosphate, the mineral used for making chemical fertilizers. The ill fate of Nauru began when Germany established its colony there in 1888 and started phosphate mining. Britain, Australia and New Zealand also started mining activities following the First World War. Nauru became financially successful through phosphate mining. But the uncontrolled mining activities led to the extensive clearing of natural vegetation. This led to the extinction of many birds and animals, which resulted in the transformation of environment. Phosphate deposits also got exhausted, turning Nauru to an absolutely poor country in every respect. So students, you have learned about Nauru, the country which was once rich because of its phosphate mineral resources, but now has become poor due to the depletion of the same. Now, you might have some questions in your mind. What are resources? What causes resource depletion? Should these resources be conserved? This chapter will help you to understand more about resources, resource depletion and resource conservation. Okay students, that's all for today. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.